Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to hide what game you're playing on Steam. First of all, launch your Steam and click on your username and click on View My Profile. Once you are in your Steam profile page, click on Edit Profile. And here, click on Privacy Settings. And here, you will get this option, Game Details. So this category includes the list of all games on your Steam account, games you have wishlisted, your achievements, and your playtime. So to hide what game you are playing on your Steam, you have to select here, Private. And now on, no one will be able to know what game currently you are playing on your Steam. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.